Hi, I'm Jake from Burt Brothers Tire, and on behalf of ExpertVillage.com, I'm going to show you how to properly install a tire or your spare tire on your vehicle after you've changed it. Okay, I'm going to show you on my my actual tire here, but your spare is the same, usually the same tire, or it might be a temporary spare. Okay, but you roll the tire in front of it, try to get it worked up in here, and just lift it onto the hub and get it onto all the lug nuts here. Okay, so you grab your lug nuts, and all of them are going to have a little acorn size, a little end here versus the flat side. You want to install them with the acorn side in toward the rim, okay, and put them on in a star pattern. If you've got 6 lug nuts or 4 lug nuts, just cross over here, okay, get your lug nuts started, spin them back on here, and just show them back and forth here. The lug nuts, once again, we want to use the acorn side, the side that points inside the wheel here. That makes sure, just makes everything go together smoother versus put them in flat like that. You want to put them in with the acorn style in. Okay, and so we'll tighten those up, and it works out the best if you can screw them on as tight as you can before you got to get the wrench out. Okay, and then grab that, and then you always want to continue on in your star formation, so it makes sure that the tire goes on over the hub all together right there, and you get it all on tight. Okay, a good way to check that too, that you've got it on correct, is you've got about the same amount of lug stud showing through right there on all 5 studs. Okay, you want to go around with the breaker bar and get it as tight as you can, and you can see that the tire is starting to spin here. I don't have it tight enough yet. I need to lower it down on the jack here now, and I'll show you how to do that in the next step.